Hello friends! Let's learn different ways to represent a number. Let's see some of the ways you can use to represent number 10. You can use letters and write the word 10. You can show your fingers 10. You can use tally marks and mark 10. You can have 10 objects, or you can mark 10 dots on a tens frame. These are some of the ways you can use to represent number 10. Hello friends! Let's play a number game. It's a number match. You have to match number 10 with the 10 things you can see here. Where can you count 10 things? Can you count 10 frogs, 10 vans, or 10 oranges? Let's try the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very well, we counted correctly. Now, let's do it one more time. Where here can you count 10 things? It'll be 10 butterflies, 10 bears, or 10 hot dogs. There you go, 10 butterflies. So, this is number 10. You can represent 10 by writing 10 using letters, by showing 10 fingers, or having 10 things or objects, marking 10 dots in a tens frame, or marking 10 with tally marks.